Hey everyone, we are on our way to a KOA.
And it's raining.
And it's raining. Yeah, we can't escape it. It already did rain once this morning, now it's raining again. We actually did make reservations for this trip. I repeat, we did make reservations for this trip, but we had a reason for it. Mike's company picnic is being held this weekend, and we wanted to stay out there just because it'd be easier, and a couple of his co-workers are gonna come out and stay with us as well. And they're campers. So there is a KOA, the Perrysburg, Toledo East, I think it's what they call it, KOA. We've never stayed there, just driven by it. They do have a pool. What do you got at?
I've never been there, but it looks small.
Right. Yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna give it a try, and we'll see how we like it. We're only a couple miles away, so we'll get some video as we're driving in.
Jody.
Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, that's a cute little camper. It does appear to be small, but I wasn't really expecting something large. Alright, we're here. Mike went in to go check in, then we'll go park. I just wanted to mention that we had planned on getting an earlier start, but every time we plan to do that, something always comes up. Today I actually took a day off from work, a vacation day, and it turns out that they called me in anyway, so that was our delay. And then I actually baked some cookies for Mike's company picnic, which is tomorrow early afternoon, sometime during then. So otherwise we would have been here. We were gonna try to do an early check-in, but it's 2 o'clock right now, 2 o'clock's check-in, so no need for that, which kind of sucks because I like to have more time here. But it really isn't too bad because it's not far away from home. I mean, it is, but it's about an hour, which is the distance that Mike drives to work every day, which kind of sucks for him. But at least this time, he doesn't have to drive home. So hopefully it'll be a good time. I'm excited because we're going to be camping kind of with people. They're not in the site right next to us, but they're about 2 sites down, I believe. So that should be pretty interesting and different for us.
This couldn't be any easier to get into. So we are here at the Scribble, and our site 205 is right there.
Okay, so we're literally, let me go down nice and slow, right where your mirror is, basically. Right there. Alright. Cool.
205. He said just to pull through one of these empty ones and just head back that way. I was just going to turn right there, back in, but whatever. But I don't really want to make such a hard cut by pulling through one of these, so I'm just going to go around.
That's fine. That's what I would suggest doing anyway. Looks like there's some decent tree coverage for all you tree lovers. All the shady people.
All the shady people.
All you shady people. I personally like the sun. We get enough shade throughout the year.
We don't get any sun.
Like right now. Check out all that natural shade we got going on from the cloud coverage. weird. It looks like the back is the front. It's all square and flat. Roads are not paved, as you can see.
A little playground.
Kind of potholey and filled with water. There's the pool over there, a little playground. Of course, right across from the check-in office.
This is like the easiest site ever to get into.
You've kind of lucked out and had some really easy ones. When you reserve at a KOA, you don't choose your site, you just choose what type of site, and they just assign you one as you come in.
There's a big boulder back there, so I think we should probably get out and look.
Alright.
Goal, get out and look.
Oh. There's plenty of room. Hey everyone, it's Saturday. Yesterday after we got set up and everything, I really wasn't feeling the greatest, and then I got a fever, so I pretty much just slept the whole evening away. So today is Saturday. I am feeling better. Luckily, we always have some kind of medicine, like NyQuil, so that I can just sleep.
Severe NyQuil.
Yeah, severe NyQuil. And I'm still a little congested, but the fever's gone, so we're gonna go enjoy the day. Today is Mike's company picnic / truck rodeo. So that's where we're heading. We're gonna get some video of the guys trying to perform these crazy maneuvers that they've set up for them to do for just, you know, just for fun. So that's where we're gonna go.
Taking the dog.
Yeah, we're taking Guy. Not Wolf, because she will be like severely bored and probably hot, and you know, she's old. She's old. So we're taking Guy because he's got the energy and the stamina.
Yeah, she'll sit in the air conditioning all day.
She's much happier this way, trust me.
Come on, you guys didn't give me the finger or nothing. Good job. All right, Pat.
We're back.
We are back. It was a long day.
Yeah, it's 4:30 right now.
We were out there, what, 7:30? No.
No, it was like 10.
9.
10. We pulled in right at 10.
Okay.
You even that started at 10, we pulled in at 10. You even made the comment of, we're always here on time. Anyhow, it was a long day of truck rodeoing and golf karting.
Yeah, did golf cart stuff.
It was pretty entertaining.
So now we're just gonna relax. I don't know, walk around the campground, have a fire, make something to eat.
Yep, we're gonna do all of our typical camping things all like crammed into one night because I was sick yesterday, so it kind of makes this trip feel really short because I spent all day just in bed. But we'll make the most of it tonight and have a good time.
Well, try to.
Try to. They're not calling for rain.
Yet.
That doesn't mean it won't rain though. Hopefully it won't, and we'll enjoy and get to review the campground a little more thoroughly.
Yeah, we really haven't seen much of the campground yet, just the spot we're in, really. We really haven't left our campsite.
Yeah, and we're kind of towards the front of the park, so we haven't got to see a bunch of it yet.
But we'll go check it out.
Yep.
It is Sunday and everybody's leaving. All of our neighbors are gone.
You say that like it's a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing. The bad thing is Sunday. It means we have to leave as well.
Yeah.
Lynn is making pancakes. Dogs are chilling out. It's, what time is it?
We have to look at my phone, I guess.
It's 10:13. We don't have to be out of here till what, 1?
Yeah, they're not going to be knocking on our doors to get out. Let's just say that. 2. Wait, no, 1. Check-in is 2.
Yeah. So before too long, we'll be packing up and getting out of here.
Alright, we are going to do our closeout video for the Stony Ridge Toledo East KOA. Thoughts?
They had some good sites and they had some bad sites. Very small park. I'd go back. It's a little on the expensive side.
Yeah, and that's kind of how KOAs are. It was larger than the KOA that's down in Wapakoneta, but not by much, just by, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 campsites or so. Our site wasn't bad. It was grassy. We had a couple little trees. It was not a strip, so that was nice. Other people that we knew who were camping, their site was pretty much just dirt because it was in a shaded area. Either one is fine by me. There was a pool.
Small pool.
A small pool, yeah, it was pretty small. A little playground. It seemed like everyone there was traveling through like it's typical for KOAs. And even we didn't really spend a whole lot of time there. We didn't even look in the bathrooms or anything like that to kind of give a review on those. Other people we knew had used them. They didn't really seem to complain. So I'll just take that for what it is. The dogs had a good time. Took them for a walk. We're just about home. Overall, I'd say it was a good campground.
It was the only campground really in the area, so they kind of like own that market.
That's exactly why we stayed there, is because we wanted it close to where we were going to be on Saturday. It was probably 3 to 5 miles away, so it was convenient in that factor. It was a little expensive, but it's like Mike said, it was kind of running the market in that area.
We had full hookup, that was a bonus.
Yeah, we did have full hookup, back in full hookup, and really didn't have any complaints. I would go back, but I wouldn't go back as that being my destination. I would go back for like traveling through or just needing a place to stay, etc., something like that.
Yeah, it's definitely not a destination campground.
Right.
I mean, if you wanted to go to the Toledo Zoo or something, yeah.
Yeah, if your destination is Toledo, which, if that's your destination, I think you better do some surfing on the internet. But I wouldn't recommend Toledo for anyone's destination. That being said, if it is your destination, hope you enjoy the Toledo Zoo, because that's pretty much all they have.
Yeah, the KOA is conveniently located. We're close to the Turnpike, Interstate 8090. It's real close to US Route 20, I-280.
Yeah, there's a lot of routes to get in and out of. It's convenient.
Yeah, a lot of major routes run right through there, so it's great for an overnight stay.
Right, which a lot of people used it for, but that's kind of what I was expecting. We got new neighbors almost every day. That's pretty much all we have. We're hoping to go camping again next weekend. We're not sure if we will, because Mike just got word that he has to work on Friday, so he won't be out of work until 6:30 on Friday.
7:30.
So unless we stay out closer to his work again or somewhere conveniently close to home, then we probably won't be camping, but we're hoping that we'll figure something out so that we don't have to take another weekend off, because I'm just not willing to sacrifice that much time not camping right now, because it's still August and I want to enjoy our weekends that we have left. So I guess we will catch up with you later.